Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. I welcome you all to the second edition of program series Chalo Kare Kitabo Se Dosti. Today we have with us Shrimati Madhvi Kavishkar. Madhvi is a career consultant and she proactively works in the field of education. Today she is going to review this book Leader written by Devdutt Pattanaik. Devdutt Pattanaik writes on the relevance of mythology in modern times, especially in the areas of management and leadership. Trained in medicine, he worked for 15 years in the healthcare and pharma industry before he actually focused on his passion. Then he wrote 30 books and 600 columns with bestsellers like My Gita, Sita, Business Sutra and the Seven Secret series. Let's hear what does this book Leader says. Keep reading.
Book I chose for today's session is Leader, 50 Insights from Mythology by Devdutt Pattanaik. HarperCollins is now publisher of this book and it was first published in 2006. Devdutt Pattanaik is known for his work on Indian mythology. He writes, illustrates and lectures on mythology in modern times. Also, he is an acclaimed business thinker and strategist. 40 plus books, 1000 plus columns and several talk shows prove his expertise. He believes mythology is a map of human mind. So, is it a book about mythology or is it a self-help book or is it a book for business leaders? I suggest whatever is your pick, all the three category reader should go for it. As an entrepreneur, as a businesswoman, I found the author's outlook on different mythological stories more or less relevant with my business venture also. All these stories are supported by, elaborated by present business scenarios which are like short case studies. We can relate with them immediately. The stories give us valuable and useful lessons on leadership, which are generally not taught in any business school. Another important point is, the book is a collection of 50 stories and not a novel. We can start with any story. And I recommend instead of reading it in a one sit, every story should be read to savor its glory before moving on to the next. Some stories definitely I would love to mention here. Vikramaditya and Vetal story draws attention to the fact that in the world not every question has an obvious objective answer. Many questions demand a subjective answer, a call. And the man who makes the call is the leader. He is Vikramaditya. Right or wrong, Vikramaditya has to speak. A real leader has to take a certain stand. Story implied needs use the famous stories of Sri Krishna Sudama friendship and Sri Krishna Arjuna relationship, which gave birth to Sri Bhagavad Gita. The purposes of Sudama and Arjuna were different. Krishna identified them and gave them what they needed the most. The lesson is, a leader needs to focus on is what lies beneath the apparent. Eyes of a Leader story mentions Dhritarashtra and Gandhari, where leaders are either blind or chose to be blind. How it affected on their children and lead everyone to Kurukshetra is referenced here. Aziz is the character in contemporary story who was suffered by such blind was. It is in the eyes of the leader that creates an organization around him. Literally, eye-opening story for leaders. Narad and Garuda story tells us how to identify proactive members in the organization and how to channelize them. At few places, Devdatta Patnaik has used Greek, Islamic or biblical mythological references. But as expected, this book is dominated by Indian mythological stories. Story titled Packaging Matters highlights the importance of presentation. Of course, we all agree with it immediately. Importance of having Sheikh Chilli, Gangu Teli, Mittika Madhav and Raja Bhoj, that is dreamers and implementers in your organization at the same time, and all are working as a team is narrated effectively. These are few examples only. 50 stories gives us 50 leadership mantras. Using apt mythological stories, supporting it with contemporary examples, situation, and giving us a different insight about leadership. Yes, purpose of this book is solved. Carrying forward great legacy, learning from past, correcting and not repeating the same mistakes, and be successful as a leader, whatever is your venture. Now, I leave it to you to go through all the stories and enrich your life as much as possible. Within infinite myths lies an eternal truth. But who sees it all? Varuna has 1,000 eyes. Indra has 100. You and I only 2.